Hello guys, welcome back to Panel Forex Trading. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to place your first trade in the Metatrader 5 app, as well as place your stop loss and take profits. Place a trade in the Metatrader 5 app. There are many ways you can do. Either you are using iOS or you are using Android. I think Android will give you the same options as iOS. Alright, so first of all, you can go to your code. Right, so let me just take a brief introduction of the page before we continue. Now this is the code button. Just here you see codes. The code means that all the assets that is available for you to trade, that is here. We have the charts section, where you see the chart of the particular asset you have chosen. Then we have the trade button, where your balance and your equity, your free margin is there. Then here you have the history. History tells you your previous trades and the rest. Then you have the settings page where you can do a lot of settings. So now let's come back. So one way to place a trade is by just clicking on the quotes button. The particular asset you want to trade, you click on it. An option will come. You will see trade here. You can use this particular page to place your trade. You put your lot size at this side, your lot size over here. Then your stop loss, your take profits, then the rest. That is one way to place a trade. The other way around is, if you are using iOS, you will see these two buttons here. Yes, you see these two buttons here. Now you need to press on this one, the one at the very top right corner. You press on it to open this interface for you. You place a buy button. This is the sell button, and this section is your stop loss and what you call your lot size. Right, this section is your lot size, so you can change your lot size by increasing it with a factor of 0.11, then 5, or you can just click on it and use the key to change it. With Android users, you will not see this, so you want to close this button back, just press on the same key and it will go off. Here the next button is either to place a sell limit or a buy limit, right? With Android users, you will not see these buttons, but the minute you just click on the screen like this, right, you will see some circular button that will pop up. So you see a trade button that you can use it. So with the iOS, the other way around is click on the screen, you see trade, click on that, the same page will be loaded. So you put your lot size, you can place your stop loss, your take profit. Then over here you see a drop down menu where you can click on it. Then it's another menu, another page will open up for you. You can place your buy limit, your sell limit, and the rest over here. Okay, so let me show you. Let's go to how to place our first trade. When you click on the screen, click on trade, you will be brought to a page like this, so which is going to show you where you put your lot size, that is this zone, if you use one lot size. So let me just explain lot size in some little to simplify manner. When you use one lot size here, it simply means that, say we use 1.0, it simply means that each pip that the asset moves, we are making $10, right? So that is the standard lot size. So the standard lot size, each pip gives us each pip gives us $10. So with the mini lot size, that is the next one, 0.10, with 0.10, that is the mini lot size, each pip the asset move, you are going to get $1, right? Then we have the micro one, which is 0.01. Here each pip is going to give you we're going to give you 10 cents, right? Each pip is going to give you 10 cents, right? Yeah, so that is the lot size. Yeah, so now let's just put something with this averages, you are going to put 3 lot size. So we go in here now. Oh, sorry, we place a sell limit. So let's go back. Let's change this button to market execution. So we place on for buy. Now as we place here, when you go back to your trade button, you are going to see the trade running, right? So here you see our current trade which is running, then you see the trade also down here. Now you see balance. The balance here, it is the amount of money you had before placing the trade. That is your balance, right? Your equity, you can see equity here. The equity, it is the amount that you were having. It's your balance, either plus or minus the current trade. So notice our trade is giving us a negative, so they've subtracted that negative from our total balance. That is giving us this equity value, which you can see here. So if we were to be profit, the equity will be calculated balance plus running profits. So yeah, balance price plus the running trade, right? So now you come to the margin is the amount of money you need to keep the current position you have open running, that is still in place, right? Then so you can see that the margin that we need, the amount of money we need to keep this thing running, it is 0.37. So yeah, so now we see free margin, right? Free margin here, the free margin, it is the amount of money left, right, when they subtract the margin itself from it. So you can see here, so we need 0.37 to keep the trade running, that is our margin. And we need our free margin, the money left right now, it is this one. So it simply means that this is subtracted from the total balance, right? So that is how everything works when you place a trade. Then you see the history here. The history will show you the profit, the past trades you have already made, either your profits and your losses you have made, and your withdrawals, the deposit you have made, and all those stuff. That is it for the history section. Alright, so that is just simple on how to place your first trade. Yes, so let's talk about the lot size. Alright, so let's talk about the stop loss and the take profit. With iOS, there's an advantage, right? So after placing your trade, what you have to do is come to the screen, you click on the particular trade, click on the exact line, dotted lines that you see there. Just click on it and you will see something down here, a menu which says SL and TP, right? So we want to put SL first. That's a stop loss. So click on SL. When you click on SL, you will see the SL, a horizontal dotted line will be shown up. Yeah, so here, these are SL. Now you can drag the SL. Just put your hand on the line and drag it to anywhere you want the trade to be, right? So let's say you want to put our SL here. So after putting it where you want your stop loss to be, then you come back here, you click on the continue button, then it will bring you back to this page where you modify. Click on modify and then you place your stop loss. Now if you want to place your take profit, it's the same procedure. Click on it, then you come to TP, click on that, then you can drag your TP to something here. So after putting it where you want it to be, you click on continue, then all the way you are done with it. 100 users, after placing your trade, you have to come to this bar, this particular symbol here. Just click on it. Let me click on it first so you will see it in our screen. Now you pick it. Let's say we want to put our stop loss here, alright? So we put the bar will be taking the readings, both horizontal, the date and the current market price. So you look on the vertical bar where you see the price, the market price. So you look at there, put it at where you want to place your stop loss, then you look at the price there. So you have to pick the price here. which is 181.35, right? So after getting the price here, you come back to the trade. Let's say we had not put any take profit or stop loss, so you come back to click on modify, then you come here, so you have to put them here. If in your case you come and here will be empty, so you put there 181.3586, something of that sort that we saw. So after you put it, then you go back to your chart, you realize that it is there. The same thing when you want to place a stop take profit, you click on that particular bar to pick the readings. Then you can pick your readings here, put it at where you want to place a stop to take the figure. Come back to your trade, click on it, then click on modify, and then you are good to go. So we can put 04. Understanding sake, let me put it here. So that's it, we place. So you see that our TP is right here, right?
Guys, we have successfully placed our trade on the MT5 app. But before we move on, please hit the subscription button, turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any of our upcoming videos, and drop your comment in the comment section so we know your suggestions and opinions. Right, before we wrap up this video, if you haven't checked our video on how to create an account with the Deriv broker, make sure you check the link in video description. And also, do you want to learn more about technical analysis, all at no cost, then make sure to check the link to our Telegram page in the video description. And thank you for watching and staying with us till the end. See you in the next video.